What's the meaning of arbitrarily? Arbitrarily. Arbitrarily.
Arbitrarily. Arbitrarily. Arbitrarily refers to something that is done without reason or method. It implies a lack of structure or guidelines that would lead to a predictable outcome. In other words, when something is done arbitrarily, it is based on individual discretion rather than a defined process. This can lead to unpredictable outcomes and make it difficult to gauge the validity or fairness of a decision. In short, arbitrarily means to act without a clear or logical basis, and the results of such actions may be difficult to anticipate or understand.